What's up, Virginia Bonsai here, and we're going to do some propagation of the Hawaiian umbrella tree. First thing you want to do is make sure you have your propagation area ready. So as you can see here, we got our propagation pods. We're going to put stems in here, and we got some water, rainwater. Both of these are rainwater, and we're going to do rainwater in this and have stems as well. And be sure to use some type of root tech or hormone to get the cuttings started to rooting stage, and hopefully we'll get them planted and get them going, and we'll have some little mame or shohin bonsai. When cutting your bonsai or whatever plant you're propagating, give it a good 360-degree view. Check out the different branches and make sure you know exactly what you want to cut off before you start cutting it off. That way you have a final design for the plants that are already here, and then a future design for the cuttings that you've taken. As you can see, we are slowly taking away some of the vegetation as we're working our way up the plant. Some of the vegetation include these lower pieces like this, and hopefully we can reroot and get going again. So we're just slowly clearing out some of the unwanted little pieces. So be sure to also clear out little teeny little leaves like this. So that will give the trunk a longer appearance, which will give it a older age look. So right now I'm just taking a recycled cup so I can split the middle a little bit. That way we can separate these trees a little bit more. Okay, and this is the final outcome after the nice trim. We've done separated them a little more, creating space in the middle, which gives a little bit more depth to it. So in a couple of weeks we'll just remove this little bottom of a red cup we used for a brace to split it. You can see creating a nice top. defoliation. Right now we're taking our stems with our rooting gel and we are sticking them in these little pods just like this. So get your stem that you've collected, okay, and we're going to clip it just like that. Clip this right there. Dip this in the rooting gel. And stick it in the pod. Again, I'm going to cut and do a finger cut. There we go. So just keep repeating that process and you'll have propagations of your Hawaiian Dwarf umbrella plant or bonsai or however you're growing it. Enjoy.